2013 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 liter V6. Has stock, actually has an aftermarket cat there and another aftermarket there. And two stock secondary converters into an itty bitty resonator. And then it normally comes with one big muffler here. And we deleted that and made a custom Y pipe, as you can see, into 4-inch stainless steel quad tips. You guys will hear it in a second. Look how beautiful that work is. Nice, 117 on decibels. That was like 117 decibels. That's really loud. Uh-oh, someone got the blue light special.